여러분 안녕하세요. 자입니다. 내 채널 다시 오신 것을 환영합니다. Today's nail art is inspired by SHINee's The Story of Light episodes 1, 2, and 3's album cover. I applied yellow polish to all of my nails except for my index nail, which I painted it with pearl aqua with a blue glitter top coat. On my index nail, I'll be painting a fox's face. In today's video, I'm using acrylic paints for all of my detailed painting. And let that dry and apply another coat of it until the colors are opaque. Then let's paint a lighter tone to the fox's face. Then let's add the facial features. Then, on my middle nail, let's paint the first episode of The Story of Light. Again, let it dry, then apply another coat of each colors for opacity. Then on my ring nail, I'll be painting episode 2. Then, on my pinky, I'll be painting the third episode. And on my thumbnail, I use the 3 colors and let's paint SHINee in Hangul. Then I also added a heart. If you're wondering about the cleanup of the acrylic paint, all you have to do is to use a brush and a rubbing alcohol. Let them all dry and apply top coat. Whenever I'm using acrylic paints on my nails, I usually do 2 coats of my favorite top coat, letting the first coat dry before applying another. If you love K-pop, SHINee, and nail arts, please do subscribe to see more videos in the future. Never forget to hit like and share this video to your awesome friends. And that's it for today, guys. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you on my next video. Annyeong!